welcome to Mar Vista, California. This is a little neighborhood of Los Angeles, California, and in the video today I'm going to be showing you the home that's right behind us. We just listed it and sold it in a matter of 2 days. We're going to go in and walk through the home. We'll talk a little bit about the things that you can do with this home, and we'll talk a little bit about the Mar Vista area. So let's go do that now. Hi, I'm Lori Lynn Failer, and I'm with Living in Los Angeles, California. Now, we get calls, texts, and emails every day from viewers like yourself looking for guidance and help in either selling their home or buying a home, and we really love helping. Our primary focus is to make the process as seamless as possible with the least amount of hassle. So right now we're coming from the neighborhood called Mar Vista. The home behind us, we just listed and sold about 2 days ago. As I said, let's talk a little bit about Mar Vista first. Mar Vista is about 35,000 people that live here. Can't get that right. About 35,000 people, the population here. We are about 8 miles east of Venice Beach, which also puts us about 2 miles southeast of Culver City. Now, if you go the other direction, northeast of Mar Vista here, you're going to run into Santa Monica. We're very close to the airport. We're close to the schools. The schools here are above average. We are very close to, as I said, the beaches. We're close to some great restaurants. We're really close to a lot of things. So let me show you the neighborhood where this home is. You see how beautiful it is. It's actually located here in a cul-de-sac. You see there's a lot of trees. There's sidewalks out here. Absolutely beautiful area. We've got a brand new house that just went up next door. There's the house. It's an awesome house. And I'm going to walk out here so that you can kind of see a little bit about this area. It's, like I said, it's really quaint, good neighbors. Everybody takes care of everybody. Look at that. Would you have ever thought that you could find this in Los Angeles? It is beautiful. So let's go take a look at the house. they say in the cartoons? That's all, folks. Were you surprised from looking at the front of the house in this little cul-de-sac how large this house is? I mean, who would have guessed? It just keeps going. It's tri-level. It's got an upstairs, 2 upstairs and a downstairs, and that beautiful huge patio on the bottom, and even further down to that secret little garden. It's actually a shame that this isn't a scratch and sniff video, because the jasmine's in full bloom right now, and between the jasmine and the bougainvillea, it just smells heavenly. I can only imagine sitting here at night with my favorite beverage, looking at the lights of downtown. You can actually see Culver City from here as well, and just smelling all these beautiful flowers and ending my day on a peaceful note.